Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is why you shouldn't return to the gas station you're banned from.
It might not be your fault, but that badge on your chest don't mean to me, because I'm a federal agent, and I'm sick of y'all. So I'm gonna move out. Whoa!
Hey, you're under arrest for bail jumping, okay?
For bail jumping?
Yeah, you're on bail.
Whoa,
you're not supposed to be here.
For bail jumping.
You're not supposed to be here, remember?
On July 17th, 2024, in Ashland, Wisconsin, officers were dispatched to a Circle K gas station after reports that a man banned from the property had returned and was causing a disturbance. When confronted, the man grew combative, shouting profanities and resisting arrest. What began as a simple trespassing call quickly escalated into a violent outburst that left an officer assaulted and threatened with death.
Hey, Justin, how's it going?
How you doing, sir?
Good.
All right.
Say, you're not supposed to have any contact with Circle K here?
I had no idea.
Yeah, you're on bail, man. You're not even supposed to be on the property.
I had no idea. They said, hey, check this out, dude. Never mind. I'll move out. But guess what? I'm leaving this state.
Oh, yeah?
So how the do I get a bus ticket?
How do you get a bus ticket?
You know I work for the feds. You keep playing this cuck. It might not be your fault, but that badge on your chest don't mean to me, because I'm a federal agent, and I'm sick of y'all. So I'm gonna move out. Whoa!
Hey, you're under arrest for bail jumping, okay?
For bail jumping?
Yeah, you're on bail.
Whoa,
you're not supposed to be here.
For bail jumping?
You're not supposed to be here, remember?
It's not bail jumping.
Yeah, it's bail jumping. So go ahead, put your hands behind your back for us.
Behind your back, Justin.
Damn, got him together quick, boy.
You have anything in your pockets that may poke the car at me?
Quit grabbing me like that!
Quit. Stop.
Who the think you are?
Yelling now.
We have to search you, okay?
We have to search you. Stop.
Get off my goddamn wrist!
Relax.
I'll work with you!
All right, relax.
Any other pockets on you, bud?
Man, shut the up and dig. I ain't got nothing illegal. I'm a federal agent! You! God damn you!
Relax.
You! Relax now! Do I look like you homeboy?
Hey, enough.
Enough. All right? Quit yelling. Relax.
You!
Dude.
You're gonna deal with Robert! You like Robert? Do you like Robert?
Enough.
Go! You want it? You! Go! Slam me! Slam me! What the you think I got?
Gotta search you, man.
Go!
Ashland 155, you're broken, 210-9.
Stare at the sky, you!
Right, hop in.
You! The f is this for?
Get.
I didn't even have... Hey, where the f you at when they're cutting these women up? Hey, you hear me?
Yeah, I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Oh, you're not sure what I'm talking about? Are you that gangster? I'll call your cop ass! You...
What'd you say? 37, I'll come over here.
Oh, he gonna get them together? Oh, shoot.
You done? Well, you just got another charge, so.
Good!
He just spit on me, so.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you?
Oh.
Write that up! Wait till I put my black gloves on you. I'm gonna come.
Listen. this cop is already gonna get a 5. I don't care whatever happens in the rest of the video. He's getting a 5 out of 5, man. Because for somebody to be able to hold their composure while getting spit thrown on them, or, you know, spit on, you know, like, it's one of the lowest things a person can do, man. It's just so disgusting, so foul. You know, the CO's version of that is when they throw piss and shit on you, you know what I mean? And it may spit on you too, you know what I mean? And it's like, you can't hold your composure. Like, it's just natural instinct. You're gonna get them together. Like, it's just, and for this guy to get spit on and not, you know, he got out the car, but to wind it back in, wheel it in, and get himself composed and say, I'm not gonna lose my job today. Okay. You know, I give this guy all the credit in the world. I didn't know what happened at first, but once he said it, like, cause he hopped out the car quick, like, oh, come over here, whoop, hopped out. I'm thinking, oh, he gonna get him right, you know, and for him not to, and choose to keep his job because he would probably lose his job. You know what I'm saying? People don't be understanding that, you know, supervisors and stuff like that. They don't understand that. It's just human instincts. You know, if someone spit on you, how would you like it? So if someone gets spit on or get piss thrown on them or shit thrown on them or whatever, that it's not natural for you to sit there and be like, oh, okay, it's fine, you know, and not do nothing. That's not normal. Okay, your natural instincts is to snap. You gonna snap, you know, but if you snap, you gonna lose your job. That's the crazy part. So you just gotta take it. Insane.
157 Ashland, 10 from Circle K.
Hey, you like this cop car? You.
Okay, 2005.
Hey, do you like the Hells Angels? You flew. Hey, where the do you think I came from? Hey, you're gonna feel like a till I get the out. I promise you that. Write that up. You write that about me spitting and watch what happens. You watch how you write it. Watch how the you write it. You miss Rice! You miss Rice! High on Germany!
145 Ashland 23.
323 at the jail, 2005.
On the way to jail, Justin grew increasingly aggressive, kicking the squad divider, shouting obscenities, and spitting at the officer through the cage.
Alright.
You ass up when I get out of here. Yeah, snatch me up. You better wreck me. Yeah. Shake! The wrong goddamn cracker!
Alright, 157 Ashland, I'll be out at the jail.
Which ones are you going on?
Keep snatching me like that. Keep snatching me. Take them off.
Get on the ground. Get on your knees. Now. On your knees.
Take the off. I'm a goddamn federal agent.
Get on your knees.
I'm a federal agent. You gonna treat me like this?
Get on your
You
knees.
think I'm strong like this for nothing?
Justin. Get on your knees.
Reprimand him.
Get on your knees.
You do.
Alright. Get down. Thank you. Alright. Let go. Let go.
Hurt me.
This way.
Wait till I get
Still can't get to it.
You guys like? Take you down.
Justin, knock it off. You want more charges?
Do you want to with me? Hey!
You want more charges? Huh?
Not the doodoo stained underwear.
I've heard it all. You won't hurt my feelings.
Yeah. Was he in the store?
I don't believe he came in the store. There's multiple times he's been on the property.
Okay.
Earlier was around 4. I was doing the garbages. He came up to me and he was asking if he could do something for a little bit of cash, and I'm like, no. And then earlier it was just he was walking past, but he was just loitering over there for like 15, 20 minutes. So I'm like, okay, like, we don't want you here, you're banned from the property, you know?
Yeah.
But neither of us ever saw him come in. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So he was in like front by the
Yeah, he
gas
was in
pumps.
front. I was actually, if we could go over here. So for the earlier incident, I was like on one of these 2 pumps here, and he came up to me. He was asking if he could get some money or do something for money, and then he was walking past, like staring at me, you know, whatever. That was the only interaction I had today with him. Otherwise, it was just he was at the end of the car wash, and I was like, he's definitely not supposed to be here. So.
Justin was convicted of battery or threat to a law enforcement officer and throwing bodily fluids at a public safety worker, both felonies. He was sentenced to 3 years in state prison, followed by 2 years of extended supervision, and fined $1,036. Please show your support by liking the...
Good. We typically don't see any consequences really of anything that's significant of when these guys are doing these things. So for him to get a nice little bit of time for his actions, good. Now obviously we could tell you got some mental health issues and stuff like that, whatever, but that does not excuse your actions. You know what I'm saying? And spitting on somebody, man, that's just so foul, so nasty. Oh man. Whew. When that happens, people just see red. That's it. So for that officer to woosah, good for him, man. So anyway, I get officer 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.